Welcome back to another Stone Post fishing episode. Today we're going to build a duck blind. We got it all laid out here. A big bag of zip ties, some netting.
Oh my god!
We got Landon who's just now finding out what a big bag of zip ties looks like. Landon, go ahead, show the viewers.
Who needs that many zip ties?
You never know when you're going to need a zip tie.
Yeah,
We got some camo netting.
put some gunny sack on.
Yeah, gunny sack. Here's a blind. It's kind of big and hard to see, so here's Landon's cast. But we're gonna try to video this as best that we can, so that you can see what we're doing. But here we go. Make it where they're about the same.
You do it. You hold it and I'll be like,
That look good. Put it straight.
no, you need something.
Down or up?
Back, down a little. No, thinking about right there is fine, yeah.
Now we're cooking. I can smoke some ducks and geese out of this thing. Alright.
That's duck blind.
Now I got some camo netting.
Yeet! My ceiling fan.
Watch out for that bad boy. Alright.
I can feel it vibrating.
Got this in.
It's looking for it too. Wrong way. You want the outside. Camera facing outside. Oh shit, that's long.
That's what she said.
Wrong side, Wheaton.
Why?
Or am I supposed to flip this up?
Yeah.
Atta girl. What about the netting? Don't we put that on first?
No, that's gonna go on the outside.
Is
so
that
we
yours
can-
or is that mine?
That's mine.
Oh, okay.
So that we can zip tie the
Zip tie the top and the bottom. Oh, this is what those
no,
gates are.
just the top. Go over more. Stretch her out nice and good.
Oh, so we're just gonna leave PVC. And you hold it tight and then I'll, or at least get lengths.
Yeah, just so that it's even.
Zip tie to both ends first, and then
Because I got about a foot, well, like 6 inches overhang here.
I got quite a bit over here too.
Okay, give me a little slack. Yeah, probably right in there. Okay, go ahead and zip tie that. Look good.
Come check this side.
I think I just want to go.
I'm
Over.
going on. I'm going on.
No, hold on. See, here comes zip tie this.
Can I go ahead and start zip tying down here?
Yeah, I went on this end here.
You know what? They don't want to see you. They would rather see me. Yesterday, someone asked me for my autograph.
Eli doesn't count. Shout out to Eli.
Shout out to Eli.
Eli, if you're watching this, watch it again so we get more views. Tell your
Make sure
friends.
to tell your friends.
We got the netting put up, so we're gonna go ahead and time lapse it as we go through and zip tie the rest of it. Alright, we got this far side done, so now we're gonna move over to the other side and basically do the same thing. We got the other side put up. We're gonna take a little break. Apparently this was more work than we thought it was gonna be.
Oh, it's not that much.
Some people are tired.
It's not that much.
Well, you're sitting over there on the table. We're gonna take a little break. We got the camouflage netting up, and we're gonna put this wire, like plastic little square wire up, so that we can zip tie cattails and branches to it to brush it in a little bit better. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. We got the net on, got the camo on. All that we need to do now is add some brush to it, probably some cattails, branches, cedar branches, I don't know. Whatever.
Tumbleweeds maybe.
Tumbleweeds, grass.
And then some probably gunny sack.
We're gonna do a little gunny sack and kind of the same thing, brush it in. But we're gonna call that good for now. And thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like the video on YouTube. Go to my Instagram. We're gonna have shirts coming out, hats, stickers. So make sure you watch for that. That's probably gonna come out on Instagram first, but thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time on Stone Post Fishing.